Outstanding custom home west/a beautiful lake view and heated pool and spa. Home improvements include master bath renovations, travertine flooring Versailles pattern, new 16 seer AC, kitchen cabinets resurfaced and granite countertops in the laundry area. Great room plan, high ceilings throughout, 8-foot doorways, and double tray ceilings west/ambiance lighting in living room and master bedroom that creates a romantic effect. This immaculate home with luxurious details throughout is of the finest quality. The gourmet kitchen boasts granite counters, beautiful wood cabinets, gas stove for your cooking pleasure, stainless steel appliances and built-in breakfast nook. Beautiful wood flooring in all bedrooms, no carpeting anywhere. Master bedroom office sitting area has a beautiful view of the lake. Mature trees and glass sliding door opens to screen lanai, heated pool/spa, brick paver deck and outdoor shower. All overlooking picture-perfect lake. Crown molding abounds, even in walk-in closets, bathrooms and utility room. Lots of extras, upgraded landscaping, brick paver driveway entry, plantation shutters on every window, security system, keypad on garage, Polk audio, Sony speakers, surround sound, etched double glass entry doors, extra storage space in garage, and lots more. Willowbend is maintenance-free living. Community pool, fitness center, basketball court and playground, only a few blocks away. Minutes to Oscar Scherer Park, PineView School, shopping, restaurants, and beautiful beaches.